When you first log into the DigiFabster Management Console, you have to set up a few things before you can begin quoting customer parts. Using the navigation menu down the left-hand side, you can find information on orders, customers, and models that have been uploaded to the quoting tool. Settings for your company and machine and material settings are found here too. There are also areas where you can set discounts, check your current subscription status, and even an internal quotation tool. On the settings page, you can add your company logo, contact details, and other important information, including terms and conditions, payment methods, and order limits. In widget settings, you can adjust a variety of features including the currency you work in, at what stage your customer has to log in, and what file types you accept. Great, that is the first step complete. From here you can begin adding your machines and the materials you offer. Then, it's almost time to start quoting your customers.